Hi guys, welcome to Crazy iOS Solutions. Now, if you own an iPhone and if you've ever been in a situation where your screen has frozen and your phone has stopped working, for that I'm quickly gonna show you a solution. Now, if you own a 6S or below it, all that you've got to do is press the power button and the home button till the point where the Apple logo appears. You have to keep holding it. That's it. Now, if you've got an iPhone 7 or 7 Plus, what you have to do is just press and hold the power button right here and the volume down button right here. Again, till the point where the Apple logo appears. There you go. Voila! You are sorted. Your phone has started working again. Thank you for watching Crazy iOS Solutions. Please like, subscribe and share this video.